Assalamu alaikum 7th class. I'm your science teacher Miss Iram Hassan, and today we are going to study unit number 5 human organ systems from textbook New Secondary Science book 2 and page number 68 to 74. The main topics we will be covering are human organ system, balanced diet, digestion and human digestive system. Human organ system. Humans, like all other organisms, are made up of the organ systems which work together to perform different tasks. Different organs work together in groups called organ systems. And there are three major and important organ systems which are known as digestive system, respiratory system and circulatory system. And their functions are given. Digestive systems convert food which we eat into smaller and simpler forms and gives energy to the body to perform different tasks. Respiratory system, it is responsible for the intake of oxygen and to get rid of the excess carbon dioxide. Circulatory system is responsible for the transport of the systems around the body. Balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet means to eat different variety of the food but in a right balance. It gives your body the nutrients it needs to function correctly, and to get the nutrition you need, most of your daily calories which should come from the fresh fruits and vegetables. Digestion is the process of digesting food. Digestion is the breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into small water-soluble molecules so that they can be easily absorbed into the blood or into the body. And digestion takes place in the digestive system and with the help of the enzymes. Digestive systems consist of the long tube. This is the long tube which is known as alimentary canal, which runs from the mouth to the anus and includes other organs like gullet, stomach, liver, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, etc. These are the test yourself questions on page number 70. Why must food be digested? Digestion is important for breaking down food into nutrients which the body uses for energy and growth. And what do enzymes do? Enzymes are basically biological molecules which speed up the chemical reactions that take place within the cells. What does the human digestive system consist of? Human digestive system consists of the long tube called the alimentary canal, which runs from the mouth to the anus and include other organs like liver, small intestine, large intestine and pancreas. Roughly how long is the alimentary canal? The alimentary canal is about 10 meters long. Roughly how long does it take food to pass from one end to another? Food takes about 24 hours to pass from one end to the other. Now what is digestive system and how it takes place and how food move along alimentary canal? The walls of the alimentary canals have muscles. These have muscles which tighten and relax to produce wave-like contraction, and these contractions cause squeezing actions which are known as peristalsis, which pushes food alongside the canal. अब इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? This is known as peristalsis. Small intestine, what is the function of the small intestines and other organs like liver and large intestine? The first part of the small intestine is known as duodenum, and different enzymes are involved for the proper digestion of the food, and these enzymes are produced by liver, small intestine, pancreas, etc. Like liver produce bile and pancreas produce pancreatic juice, small intestine produces intestinal juice. These enzymes are responsible for digestion of the other foods which we eat. Appendix. What is appendix? It is a small organ which is lying at the point where small and large intestines join. In human beings, the appendix has no functions. However, in herbivores like rabbits, it is enabled to digest cellulose of the plant cell walls. These are the test yourself questions on page number 74. What is duodenum? The first part of the small intestine is called duodenum. Where is bile made? Bile is produced in the liver and stored in the gallbladder. What two jobs does bile do? Bile neutralizes stomach acid and emulsifies fats. Emulsifying increases the surface area of the food for the enzymes to work on. Where is pancreatic juice made? Pancreatic juice was produced by pancreas and secreted into duodenum. Where is intestinal juice made? The walls of the small intestine produce intestinal juice. Name the enzymes in pancreatic juice: amylase, proteases, lipase and carbohydrates. Explain what they do. Amylase to digest starch not already digested in the mouth into maltose, and protease का काम क्या है? To digest protein into amino acids. Lipase to digest fat into the fatty acids and glycerol. Carbohydrates to digest any remaining carbohydrates into glucose. The action of these enzymes bring digestions to an end. Name the enzymes in the intestinal juice: amylase, protease, lipase and carbohydrates. Again उनका function यही होगा. Explain what they do. Amylase to digest starch not already digested in the mouth into maltose, and protease to digest protein into amino acids. Lipase to digest fat into fatty acids and glycerol. Carbohydrates to digest any remaining carbohydrates into glucose. What are the end products of the digestion of food? The carbohydrates like starch will be digested into glucose, proteins will be digested into amino acids, and fats will be digested into fatty acids and glycerol. Where is the appendix? Explain why the appendix of the rabbit is much larger than the appendix of the human. The appendix sits at the junction of the small intestine and large intestine. The appendix of the rabbit is much larger than the appendix of the human to enable the digestion of the cellulose in plant cell walls. That's it. That's your written work. Thank you so much.